Good morning, teachers.
Hi.
So the purpose of this workshop is to share our ideas and to ask questions and to share what we created and to get better.
Cool, let's get started.
Great. Here we go. I'm going to give us a timer there.
I am so excited just to learn new things. Cool, alrighty.
There we go.
So there we have it. We have our 6 pictures with our 6 sentences.
Hello, Shani. Did you know about this cannon? It can make a very loud noise, and then Shani will be like, oh no, but isn't that very dangerous?
Let's see who remembers what we've read. Let's have some fun. Read it and find the picture. Picture, yay!
There we go. I'm interviewing you with a microphone. Talk to me about your picture, and I hold out a microphone, you know.
Yay, my turn!
I'm so excited you guys don't even have a clue. Like, this is so cool. Go, Teacher Shani.
Okay, so, hi guys, how are you today?
Hello, Teacher Shani.
Me too. Can you remember what is the opposite of expensive? See, it's cheap! Very good!
There!
Very good! Good job! I'm going to give you 1 candy, Teacher Amanda. Oh, Teacher Andy, I forgot your candy. There you go. Good job.